Welcome to Unit 7. And again, you are going to be referred to the Weekly Planner and Reflection Journal. Both those are very helpful tools to make sure you, number one, have great time management, things submitted on time, and to reflect on what you're doing and think ahead. The toolbox, top 10 slide tips. So you are going to make a PowerPoint using Kaltura Media Tool for Unit 8. So these are some good tips for that as well. Readings on multi-cultural strategies, continue that. And again, what if I'm not a classroom teacher? Specialization, specific resources, dimensions of cultural context, a lot of really good things here. So, discussion and assignment preparation. Begin work on your Unit 8 assignment, the narrated PowerPoint presentation. Now you create a PowerPoint and use Kaltura to put the voiceover for it. So you'll be working on that. Discussion 1, Unit 7, Discussion 1 talks about this. Discussion will help begin thinking about the content for the presentation. So this discussion will help you to think about the content and thinking of issues in your setting or in the setting you hope to be in. Issues you identified about student learning or about learning in general in relation to your setting, and how do they inform your work and that of your team members. So thinking about making a presentation for your team members on multiculturalism, that's the discussion there. So 7D1, that's that. So there is no assignment due, but there's quite a lot of time to really get to work on this PowerPoint using the Kaltura Media Tool. Look forward to what you come up with on this.